So you might be in a situation where you have a locked Facebook account. Now, what does this mean? Well, potentially your Facebook account you just got locked out of. Maybe you forgot the login information, you forgot your password, you forgot whatever it was. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons, but the first thing I would recommend doing for the most part is to go through and make your way over to this recover page from Facebook. So what you can do is go ahead and just click fix locked account like this. Now, sometimes you should be able to see that if you have a locked account, it should look now you should see if you have a locked account, it should look something like this. So it'll say like your name and then it'll say your account has been locked, and that's basically what it'll look like. Now, what we want to do is we want to focus in on this page. So type in fix locked Facebook account, and we want to make our way over to our recover Facebook account page if you can't log in. So we want to click on this page right here, and it'll take us to this page. Now what we want to do is we want to follow these instructions right here. So it says go to find your account page at this one and follow the on-screen instructions to make sure you're on a computer or mobile phone that you have previously used to log into your Facebook account. That in and of itself is probably one of the main ways that you're going to have to recover your account here. So essentially, if you're having issues, you can make your way over to this page. If you've logged into that specific account before on your specific Facebook page, then you should be able to recover it. So what you want to do here is you want to enter your phone number. So whatever your phone number is, just go and type it in, or you can search by your email or name instead. Now, when you search up your phone number, you should be able to see, I guess there's a lot of people who use that, so you can choose your account within this page. Now, for some reason that isn't working, you can also use your email and phone number, and that could end up fixing it as well. Now, if that's still not working, you may have to go ahead and actually probably contact Facebook themselves. So that should end up helping your Facebook account as well. Now, another thing I wanted to state is that if you've previously been, if let's say your Facebook account has already been locked, and let's say you were doing some deceptive stuff, maybe you were, spamming a bunch of people, whatever the case is, and that can also cause some issues for your Facebook account as well, and you will probably never get your account back. So keep that in mind. If your account is completely locked out of everything, well then you may just want to make sure you didn't go against their terms of services or anything like that, because if that ends up being the case, there's probably no way of recovering your account. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.